On today's episode of Moto Cheese.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, mini truck? Got your muffler welded on. I did not put a tailpiece yet because I think I might put a little loop. It'll never hit that snubber, but it'll probably never hit that pipe. Well, I might put a little loop and then point it down or to the side a little bit. I need some more piping. So let's go into town. I ordered some of those turbo supercharger couplers for the 2-inch and a 45, and they sent me this. That's not a 45, so I gotta go to Kohl's. I returned something the other day to give you $5 Kohl's cash. So I'm gonna get another $5 Kohl's cash. Got $10 to spend. Maybe we could find something. And we're gonna pick up a spiral ham for Thanksgiving. I also ran that solenoid, which I don't know exactly what it is. It could be just an idle up solenoid, but I ran a wire, something that's switched and on all the time, to see if that makes a difference. Because I don't know what that box is, but it did get up underneath there and look, there's no vacuum lines going to it. It's just got like a 6-pin connector, so it's all electronic. There is no O2 sensor on this at all anymore, so I don't know where it's getting its readings from. It must be something electronically, or there's something vacuum controlled that's still connected here, but I don't see anything. I don't know. Made sure everything was tight, belt and all that. Did start better. So I ordered a dual sensor for pre and post supercharge to see the temperatures for the intake and what's coming out of my pressurized pipe. The boost gauge should be here today, and I also had some suggestions to get a fuel pressure gauge. I'm going to order one of those. Wow, it's actually idling really good. Oh yeah, I ordered an idler pulley, automatic, spring-loaded one to put behind the belt. Because that was another good suggestion someone said, so that should be here. That probably won't be here till Sunday or something. So Mini's coming together pretty good. Thing is amazing. So with all these gauges, it's going to look like a Christmas tree. I'm going to try to line them all up around here somehow. I think they'd make something that would clamp onto these gauges, but I haven't seen anything. I looked online. If you guys know of something, let me know. Oh, there's a little pop. Someone actually mentioned that pop could be the EGR pushing open. That's a possibility. It's still on there, but it's not connected. But I probably should take it off and make a block-off plate. Someone mentioned putting a recirculating valve or whatever to bypass. Could do that too, but I'm hoping not. I mean, there's not a lot of room down there, so I really don't want to do that if I don't have to. That's quarter throttle, boys. Super Mini. Is that a good name? Oh, really? You're lucky I don't want to beat on Mini. Maybe he watches my videos and wanted to race Mini. I know, Mini. You could have beat him if you wanted. Sometimes it makes you a better truck, not having to prove. They still haven't fixed that. Can't wait for the snow to get on the ground and see people off in the friggin' bank. after Jeffro sees what Mini Truck can do, he's going to want a supercharged Tiny. I don't know how much room is in them Suzukis. He doesn't have air conditioning, so he's got to have room somewhere. Still got my 9 pounds, watch. Oh yeah, set you back in the seat, Minnie. Updated my links. Because of course everything I do, I put the parts, or as many parts as I can, think of to put on there. I do miss them sometimes. And I updated the website too. That was about half throttle. Rarely have to downshift at all anymore. Idle's up a little bit now, huh? Something new going in there next to Dunkin' Donuts. Wonder what it is. Now you're in the middle of the road, buddy. Or budette. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's alright. Jeebus. What the heck is he doing? I'll be right back, Minnie. Lock you up so no one steals you. Price of Mini Trucks today.
You are getting a $5 full cash. You can start using it today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I had something they screwed up and I had to return yesterday. Could I put both of them together?
Yes.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. Got $10 to spend. I already have one of these. I'd like to find something for Minnie. There's a little multi-tool. Flashlight. Crank radio. 2 of them. I could sing with Minnie. Like my Boost Baby Boost song. A little baby vacuum. Nah, I don't like these type of screwdrivers. Nah. $40. Well, $30. What the heck? This looks good. It's got a USB port for charging. Is it? Yeah, it's rechargeable by USB. $29 on sale for. Yeah, it's got to be on sale, so $10 off of that too. Looks good to me.
So I went and got tapped.
Not bad, $8.50, huh?
Yes, you did a great job there.
Okay, yeah, that's right. I need that. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I give you a receipt? I don't remember giving you a receipt or not.
Thank you. Got this for $8.50. Hey Minnie, I got you something. Look. It's a light, and it's a charger, and it's everything all in one. Smart gear. Oh, put regular batteries if you want to. Yeah, it's not super bright, but it's not fully charged yet either. Oh, it's got a low and a high. Oh, we could put strobe and put this right here. People be pulling over, Minnie. We'll let it charge while we drive. There. Off to Aldi's, Minnie. We have a quarter. It's running a lot better without that hooked up. That thing must have been clicking the whole time and I never heard it. Very strange. I don't know if I got, oh yeah, got a quarter. Be right back, Minnie. Nothing for you here. Maybe. Maybe. Aldi's Food Market. Jeez, my hands are dirty. Chili lime, eh? Let's try that. There we go. Boneless. Two of these. These are awesome. There it is. There. All right.
How are you today?
Good. How you doing? Have a great day.
Be well, stay well.
It's not locking?
It ate my quarter.
No way.
That's something, huh? That's it. Nothing there.
Where is
Oh, well.
it? Is it gone?
It seriously.
It must have fell out.
It's just gone.
That's, well, that's
Not
odd.
that big of a deal, but hell, I paid for a quarter to get it.
Someone's going to find it on the ground in there.
That'll make you feel better.
That's right. You too. Can't find a hole. There it is. I never have that trouble. Got everything I needed. Wow. You're running like pretty awesome, Minnie. Blower wine. Probably dumb getting in this lane because someone's gonna pull into Starbucks. And if you know New Milford, you know Starbucks is a pain. Nope, somebody coming out of Starbucks though. There must be an accident at least once a month in front of here. Woo, we made it. Should I do the hill climb? I'm not going to push it. I've said it a million times, but maybe once I get the pipe with the proper connections on it, you know, I just don't want to do anything yet. Because I'm feeling pretty confident. I could try to do that hill climb. It's a big hill climb. Yeah, we'll do it. That I was lucky to get, like, by the time I hit the top, maybe 30 miles an hour, 35. So we'll see what I can do with about a quarter throttle. keep you at 6. Maybe a little more, because your temperature's not rising. This was a struggle. I mean, it's a few miles of uphill. Temperature's going up a little, but that's normal. Especially pushing 6 pounds of boost pretty much the entire hill here so far. I have a lot more. I'm only quarter throttle. See, there's laying in it a little. See, it climbed it right up. Wow. Very, very, very impressive. We made it. I am super impressed. I mean, even when I gave it a hair more throttle, it started climbing again. Did you see that? So I guess we're good on the hill climb. Temperature stayed right pretty good. No different than when it was stock. I'm so proud of you. This mini truck got the same tires as you do. Wonder if they watch you on YouTube. Oh my God, that was about half throttle, maybe a little more, but I'm still amazed by the power this thing can put out. I should mark here what the speed is. I can't convert it because I have such oversized tires, but it looks like 50 is 70, so that's a good mark, because this thing is slow. He was laughing. If I can get what the speed is on here, I may take this whole thing apart and put new numbers. That'd be neat, wouldn't it? Look out, Tiny Tonka. You've been beating Minnie for a long time. Now the tables will turn. This belt's holding up pretty awesome too. Oh, there's something in the road up there. Now why'd that chicken cross the road, guys? Probably because there's a bunch more over here. So 80 is 55. If that's 60, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that'd be easy then. 50, 45, 40, this should be 35. It's not. So it's not what I thought. Hear that supercharger whine. A++++, Mini.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheese.com. Thanks for watching.